This is SK Farms 2018 corn harvest. This is August 10th, 2018. They're finally getting started harvesting the 2018 corn crop. And he's just about got a full hop. This is their 9650 STS with a 608C corn head. This is the first time they've grown corn, I'd say at least since the mid-90s. And they've got about 400 acres of corn this year. I'm not sure what its field's yielding yet. I haven't talked with any of the owners and farm managers yet. But judging by the way that corn's piling up in there, I'd say the moisture's a little on the high side still. I don't know if he's got enough room up there to make it to the end or not. Yeah, because I'd hate to get some cab corn in the video. I'm in his way, so I'm fixing to get the hell out of Dodge.